So, ito na nga. So, nag-start kami June 7. Yan ang starting weight namin. So, nang start ako ng OMAD, 138. So, that's for 1 week. Tingnan natin ngayon kung nag-lose ba ako o hindi. Okay, 135. That's a pound. So, I am happy. I think mag-work ngayon yung tanghali ang kain namin instead of gabi. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Good luck sa amin. We'll update you more. Hello, guys! Hi! So, anong topic natin for today? So, today it's all about our weight loss journey. So, last week, we decided to try intermittent fasting or yung OMAD. So, yung OMAD, 1 meal a day ang ibig sabihin. So, strict form yun ng intermittent fasting kasi 23 hours kang naka-fast tapos 1 hour window ka lang kakain. So, tinry namin yun last week. Well, until this week. Pero last week, I started with the weight of 138 pounds. Tapos, yun nga, naka-OMAD ako. Pero, ang nilose ko lang is 2 pounds within last week. So, medyo disappointed. Kasi, parang ang bagal. Parang walang progress. Pero, kasi siguro may mali kaming ginagawa. Kasi, yung pag-break namin ng fast last week is usually in the afternoon. So, after namin ng work, between 4 and 5. And after nun, syempre, uupo na lang kami sa harap ng computer, yung gagawa ng aming mga documentation, notes. Then, after nun, matutulog na. So, wala talagang activity. So, naisip namin this week, kailangan naming i-switch things up. Maybe we need to break our fast in the middle of the day, like lunchtime. Para at least, you know, may activity pa after. Active pa yung katawan namin. Kasi nagtatrabaho pa rin kami. So, hopefully, this week, may makita kaming progress sa aming weight loss. Sa unang week, mahirap siya kasi more than physical, it's mentally challenging. Kasi parang, alam mo yun, gusto mong kumain pero hindi ka makakain. Parang self-control, yun ang practice mo dapat. Kailangan maraming kang self-control at disiplina. Kasi kung hindi, wala, magi-give in ka. So, kahit medyo disappointing last week, kung talagang desidido ka, yun, parang sige lang, gora, push. So, this week, yun nga, try namin yung pag-break ng fast in the middle of the day, lunchtime. Ang hirap kasi nun, kaya hindi namin yung ginawa last week is, alam nyo naman na we're home health PTs, physical therapists. So, lagi kaming nagde-drive, nasa labas. And may mga nakaschedule kaming patient during the day. So, wala talaga kaming exact time for lunch. You know, sinisingit lang namin yung lunchtime namin kapag may time or kapag, you know, may sobrang oras in between. Pero, ngayong week, we really need to make time to, you know, eat. Kasi meron kaming isang oras para kumain. So, yun nga. Update namin kayo. Hopefully this week, mas okay yung progress namin. So, sa susunod ulit. Bye! Hello guys! So, magbe-break na ako ng fast ngayon. Time check, 1 o'clock. Kahapon ako last na kumain ng around this time. So, yan. Meron akong baon na kanin. At saka ito, itong cream na to, salmon to. Kita ko sa inyo. Salmon in white sauce na may, yan, na may mushroom, na may greens. Yun. Tapos, ang seasoning yan is, Cajun seasoning. Tapos, may crawfish din yan. Yan. Tapos, pwede akong uminom ngayon ng aking favorite na sparkling. Yan. Saka, binaunan ako ng aking asawa ng tinapay. Taghati kami. Meron din akong mani. Saka, beaver nuggets from Buc-ee's. Yan. Yan ang mga pwede kong kainin ngayon. Kahit ano naman pwedeng kainin kapag OMAD. Yun lang. Kung maubos mo yun. Yun lang ang kagandahan ng OMAD. Hindi ka magkikrave. Kasi kung anong gusto mong kainin, pwede mong kainin within that 1 hour time frame. Okay guys. Kain muna ako. Hanggang sa susunod. Bye!
Hello guys! So, today is Thursday, June 17. Kakagising ko lang. Kaya, let's weigh in. Tingnan natin kung nabawasan tayo ng timbang. I'm excited!
So, okay. This is the moment of truth for today. Check natin ang ating weight. Ayan. That's for today. 133. So, yesterday I was 135. So, today 133. Good job, Jen. Start na ng aming 4th week sa OMAD. Tingnan natin kung ilan ang ating weight. Hello guys! So, mag-weigh in tayo today. So, I've been doing OMAD or 1 meal a day intermittent fasting for 2.5 months. We started in June. Ang first weigh-in ko was 138 pounds. Ang goal weight ko 123 pounds para makalus ako ng 15 pounds. Pero, as of now, yung weight ko ngayon, yesterday was 124 pounds and I've been staying at 124 for the last 2 weeks. So, ano naman na yun, normal BMI na ako. Pero gusto ko lang ma-meet yung 123 pounds na goal ko para at least 15 pounds yung na-lose ko within 2.5 months. So, let's weigh in. Moment of truth. 124 pa rin. So, I still need 1 pound to lose. Ayan, 123 pounds na ako. Yan, ngayon guys, I've been doing OMAD for 2.5 months. And I started 138 pounds. Ang goal ko is 123 pounds, at least to lose 15 pounds. And, nangyari na nga. After 2.5 months of OMAD, intermittent fasting, I met my goal, 123 pounds. Yay! So guys, since na-meet ko na ang aking BMI, nag-lose na ako ng 15 pounds since nag-start kami ng June. So in about 3 months, na-meet ko yung goal ko to lose 15 pounds. So nag-stay na ako ngayon 123, sometimes 122. Usually pag weekday, naka-OMAD ako. Pero pagdating ng weekend, hindi na ako nag-OMAD. Kumakain na ako minsan tanghali sa kagabi, kagaya ngayon. Kakain ako ng dinner. Pero pag kumakain kami ng dinner na nagme-maintain na kami ngayon, in moderation pa rin. Hindi pa rin yung talaga namang sibang kain. So in moderation pa rin. Kaninang lunch namin, fried rice saka sweet and sour fish. Yun, in moderation pa rin naman. So, sa OMAD, you can eat whatever you want. Dun sa time frame na 1 hour na time frame nyo, kahit ano kainin nyo, kasi wag nyong i-restrict yung sarili nyo para hindi kayo mag-crave. Kasi usually, doon ka bumibigay kapag nag-crave ka. So, basta within that 1 hour, kainin mo kung anong gusto mo. Pakabusog ka. Pero after that 1 hour, yun na. Fast ka na. So, yun lang guys. Do your research. Ask your doctors. Pero nakita nyo naman yung result. So, you know, for health reasons, kung kailangan nyong gawin yun, go for it. Kinaya nga namin so kaya nyo. So, lang guys, go for it. And good luck on your journey.